Okay, there you go. And so, before we start our game is what we call a Get the Cup. And before we get the cup on the floor, the very mechanics of this game is you should and you must touch your body parts. Okay, so first and foremost, before we play the game, we shall do our practice game muna. So, we will not declare any winner. Practice muna. Okay, listen carefully mga kids ha. Ready? Head. Shoulder. No, do not look at me. Look at your partner. Para yung baso ay makukuha natin. Okay, ulit. Head. Shoulder. Eyes. Ears. Nose. Shoulder. Practice. Get the cup! Okay! Very good! So, that's how we play the game. Okay, mga kids? And kindly put down the cups. Ayan. So, that's how we play the game. So, you need to be fast as you can. So, the first one will get the cup. It's your prize to take it home. And to those not, we'll receive a consolation prize. So, syempre, kailangan natin galingan. Okay? Dahil so we are clear na, we will declare a winner na. Okay, ready? Stand up straight. Listen carefully. Shoulder. Eyes. Nose. Ears. Head. Shoulder. 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 Head. Knees. Where's the knees? Toes. Toes. Shoulder. Stand up straight. Wala pa. Stand up straight. Wala pa. Yes. So, very attentive mga kids. Okay, for the last time, let's see. Shoulder. Head. Eyes. Ears. Nose. Shoulder. Shoulder. Head. Shoulder. Knees. Shoulder. Head. Get the cup! Okay! Very good! Okay, may I know who doesn't get the cup? Sino walang baso? Dito muna sila sa gilid. Kuya Mark, pakuha ko ng mga may baso to have a picture muna. Okay, magpipicture yung mga winners muna natin. You don't have a cup, Scarlett? Okay, mag-wait muna tayo mga kids. And mga winners natin. Let's take a picture. Okay, dagdagan natin ang ating My Little Pony game prize. Okay, once again, let's take a picture. Look at the camera. 1, 2, 3, smile. Let's take a picture muna. Picture muna tayo. Okay, another. Thank you so much. Okay, you may take your seat. And also, Charlotte, you may take your seat. And